Alright guys, welcome to another adventure. I have found the boys. I call in sick. We going surfing. We checking out the sets. And it's pumping. So I think the only right thing for us to do is to get in the water. Some nice sets coming in, boy. I think I got that other section. So, kind word of advice for any wannabe surfers. Before you get into the water, you need to know what spot you're in. So like for me, I don't like to compete with waves. I don't like to compete for waves with anybody. So I always stop and check it out and see if there's another section I can surf alone, so I don't have to surf with nobody. Like I see there's an inside break here that I might be able to take, so I don't have to go find today's food. Yeah, you can see how it's peaking. And it's a right. I think we're taking the inside. I think we're taking the inside. Definitely a lot more consistent. And all of those guys goofy. Well, not all of them. So if somebody had to ask me why I think St. Martin is one of the craziest places in the world, it's because I can go from taking one of the most iconic photos I've ever taken to surfing that very spot. Absolutely firing. Firing. Beautiful day. The audio quality is like shit, but I don't care. Crazy. Our mission now is a plane landing and we booming. I don't know how long I've been in the water so far, but my opinion because this is a spot that don't break often, which is why everybody kind of here. They probably have better places, but there's a once in a blue moon. It's a little wishy-washy, not very consistent. You hunting peaks as well. Sometimes it's down there, sometimes it's up here. But all in all, it'll be fun. I only get one cut on my foot, and one guy almost tried to kill me, so it's a win. We got fans over here cheering us on. Got the planes taking off. All in all, woo, it's a good big set. It's a pretty good day. I'm not complaining. Looking slim today. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Everybody come and support your boy in the water today. Yeah. Nothing crazier than surfing on the iconic Sunset Beach where the planes take off. Crazy. Full on hurricane rain. But the surfing continues. Only the strong will stay.